But the first thing we'll do, probably based on the survey we saw, most of you are going to be aware of this, but speed is critical for search engines. And so it should be critical for you. And Google will tell you, 0-49, if we got to get the car off the track and overhaul it, or if it's 50 to 89, we just got to do a quick pit stop, or green, we keep going. And the faster we're going, the more rewarded you are. When we run these reports, again, across both Canada and the US, we see a lot of red, a lot of overhauls required, some pit stops, some rock stars. Now, I made some of these boxes bigger than others because I wanted to point out to you that the opportunities we see, the challenges that businesses face with digital strategy aren't just related to single location, but large enterprise clients too. This is a location that has, I think, 26 locations. This one's 13. This one's over 100. And as we go through the rest of what we look for, we see a lot of opportunities with the big guys you're trying to compete with at the same time. So, I mean, what I'm showing you here really is irrelevant because what matters most is what's happening with your business. And if you want, you can go to developersgoogle.com/speed, run insights on your own business, and Google will tell you where you're at. If you're at the overhaul stage, the pit stop, or just keep going. They'll even tell you if you're challenged, what those opportunities are to improve speed. And I would bet you're probably going to see two things there if you have issues. One, somebody's dumped some files on your site that weren't optimized, or two, a lot of plugins that are bogging it down, which is a trade-off. But that's the first thing we look for.